Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a mystery pin unboxing video from all of the pins that I got while I was in Walt Disney World. If you missed out on my haul video, I'll link it down below for you. A couple things here before we jump in. If you did not watch that haul video, I'm filming this right after I filmed that haul video, so I am sick. So excuse the voice and the sniffling and all the sounds of a sickness. I apologize. And I think that's all I'm really gonna say as far as getting into the video. So I have a handful of boxes here and then a whole bag full of silver pin pouches of all different kinds. So I'm gonna start with the boxes first. So I have 3 of the Epcot boxes. I have already opened one, and I do have what I already have laid out in front of me, so I have reference. And then I have 2, 4, 6 boxes to open of these Mary Stitchmas pins. And then I have one Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party box to open. So I'm gonna start with these first, and then we'll do the silver pouches last. I do expect this video to probably be pretty lengthy because there's a lot of little bags in here. So let's jump into the boxes. I'm gonna start with a Stitch box because there is 6 of these to open. So let's jump in. I already have one opened as well, so I have those laid out as a reference so I know what I have already. Let's see if I can just rip these open. Okay, this is a snowman. So there is 2 pins per box, and there are 2, 4, 6, 8 pins in each collection. So I have enough boxes to get the full set. Oh, this one's really cute. It's an ornament. And I think I even have a little extra just in case like it doubles. So I already have half the set right there from what I just opened with what I already opened previously. Let me do another one, and then we'll do Epcot. So some of them, like in these boxes, they're in the little black baggies. Others are going to be different. Like the Epcot ones are just in like, I'll show you when I open them. They're like in like plastic, or not plastic, like paper card. Okay, so this is a duplicate. This is probably going to be a duplicate box because generally the same 2 are together. So this is probably gonna be the snowman. Sometimes not though, sometimes they're different, but oh, this one is different. This is a Christmas tree. So cute. All right, so now I only need 3 more pins from that set. I still have 4 boxes to open. So now let's go ahead and do an Epcot box. So I did already open one of these. I have those 2 that I already have laid out. Okay, so this box is okay, I remember now. They're in black baggies, but then on the inside of the black baggies, they are wrapped in this paper. Alright, so I have Remy, which is not one of the ones that I wanted. So I didn't even show you the ones you could get. I wanted all of them except for Remy and Nemo. I don't even know if you can tell who all of those are. But, so this is not one that I want. I do have a little pile of pins that I've already started, of pins that I'm going to be getting rid of. Since I'm not going to be going back to Disney World anytime soon, I'm just going to sell them rather than saving them for traders. And Nemo is the other one that I did not want. So we got the 2 that I did not want. But I still have 2 more boxes of those to open. Let's go ahead and do another one. So as long as I don't get those 2 or the 2 that I already have, we should be okay. So I still need Pluto, Donald, Goofy, Chip and Dale, Olaf, and Rocket and Groot. However, my sister did get a box of these and she got Pluto, right? Pluto and Chip and Dale. So if I don't get those ones, I can have those ones from her. So then that would leave Donald, Goofy, Olaf, and Rocket and Groot. So those are the ones that I'm really hoping for. we have Pluto. So I did get my own Pluto so she can do what she wants with hers. So let's see if this is going to be a Chip 'n Dale or if it's going to be somebody else. It is Chip 'n Dale. So I don't need hers. She can do what she wants with them. So I only have one more box left of those. So we're going to wait on that. And I'm also going to save the Christmas box as well. The Mickey's Christmas party. So let's go back to the Stitch. We'll open 2 more of these. And I only need 3 more pins. So let's see what we got here. Oh, we got the candy cane, which I already have from opening it previously. Because I opened one box when I was in Disney World. So the other one that I got, we'll see if it's the same one. It is not. It's a new one. Cool. So sometimes they're duplicate boxes and sometimes they're not. Like this one was not. I have the one, but I don't have the other. So that's really cool. So now we have 6 and I only need 2 more. So that means if I can get like 2 more, the 2 that I need in one box, I'll have 2 extra boxes. That would be ideal because then I can just sell the other 2 boxes probably. Let's go ahead and do another one. Well, let me see what other 2 that I need. He's dressed as Santa with scrump on his head, and he's wearing reindeer antlers wrapped up in Christmas lights. Those are the 2 that I need, and that is this one right here. Yay! All right, let's see if I can get this last one in this baggie. If I do, that would be ideal. Let's see. It is! Oh my gosh! Look at that. So I have the whole entire set of 8 plus 2 extra boxes. I think that I'm probably going to just keep these sealed and sell them, probably. I mean, I'll have to see what I decide, but that is perfect. So we have 2 boxes left. Let's go ahead and open the last Epcot box, and then we'll do the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party box last, before we jump into the silver pouches. All right, let's hope for some new ones. Ones that I'm looking for. Donald. Sweet. I'm wondering if this is going to be Goofy. I really wanted the Rocket and Groot, though. Oh, it's Minnie. Okay, that'll be nice for my sister. She did want this one. So, just the one duplicate there. Now let's go ahead and do this box. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see the options here. It's very difficult to see on the box. I am honestly not even sure about these. I kind of just got one just to get one. And I need the scissors to open this. It's very hard to get into. Black baggie, black baggie. Oh, these are massive pins. Oh my gosh. Especially this one. Let's open this one. This one feels like it might be one that I would be okay with. Okay. Okay. So this is, I think they're all like buildings on Main Street. And this one has a toy soldier. And then this one feels absolutely massive. Oh, this is Chip 'n Dale. Holy cow. Also, these ones are limited release. This one's huge. Wow. That is crazy. All right, so now for the silver, let me show you all the different kinds that I have. So I have, these are the older ones from last year. This is one wave, and then I got one of the other wave. And then the new pins for this year, I got this one, and that's the first wave. And the newer wave is the pink. So I'm just gonna pick randomly out of here, and we're gonna just keep on opening. Okay, so as a refresh really quick, I'm gonna put in clip after clip. I'm gonna do the different, I have the two of them on the phone, my sister's phone right here, of the options of what you can get in each bag. So I'll put the pictures up on the screen here. So I have this one. This one. This one. And this one. So all of those correspond with what's in each bag of the choices that you can get. So I'm just gonna pick randomly a bag, and we're gonna start with the pink. So I have the pink one on here as well. This is my sister's phone. I'm just gonna have it as like a guide of what I can possibly get. Now, I have opened a few of these when I was down in Florida. Those are off to the side. So I might actually pull those really quick just to have reference of what I already have. Okay, so I laid out all the pins per different thing, and I also brought up the other two bags, the older ones, on my iPad. So I have the new blue pins that I already have on this side, one pink, and then two from the old blue. So we're gonna start with the pink one. That's what I pulled out. So let me scroll over to the pink. So I have a castle, and I'm not sure what that is. Maybe, oh, it's an ear hat. Okay. So we have the Yzma ear hat and the Mickey Mouse castle. So this is the Yzma ear hat. And the Mickey Mouse castle. Next, we have another pink one. There are more pink than anything else, so we probably will be getting quite a few pink pulls. I have a, what are these actually called? The Walt Disney World D, okay. And then the green color story. So I have the Snow White D. And for the green, I got, what is his name, Pleakley? Yeah, Pleakley from Lilo and Stitch. Okay, moving right along. These shouldn't actually take too long as I'm not dilly-dallying with them. All right, so I have one of the old blue, which is on my iPad here. These ones are in the cardboard. So I have, oh, I've gotten this one before. This is one of the WALL-E and a droid. So I've gotten this one before. This is one of the ones that I think I traded. And then for the droid, I have the Chaser, which is R2. I don't know if it's supposed to be B00 or R2 Boo, maybe. But this is the Chaser pin for the droids. Okay, we've got one of the blue. All right, I have a Donald Duck, and I think it's one of the 25 years. So the Donald Duck, I have Valentine's Day, which is one of the ones I already have. And the 25 years, I have Simba. Wait, that needs to go on this side. All right. We got another blue. Can't get it out of the bag, so it didn't zip all the way. There we go. We have an ear. What are these actually called? Ear headbands and another castle. Oh, I got the Haunted Mansion castle. And the Pirates of the Caribbean ear headband. Okay. Another blue. I have a blue color story and a Walt Disney World D. So the Ursula one I already have. And then for the blue, I got the Genie. All right, another one of the old blue. So I have a ear hat and another Wally. So I have Eve for Wally. And I have Figment, which is the chaser, for the ear hats. We have one of the new blues. Let's look. So by the shape, it looks like I have a D and maybe a Donald. No, I do not. Okay, so I have the D. This is the Hatbox Ghost. And for the blue color story, I have Bruni. Next we have, oops, a pink. I have a cupcake and a bubble wand. So I have Donald Duck cupcake and a Pluto bubble wand. We have another pink. We have a castle and an ear hat. So we have the Mickey Mouse Club castle and the Mr. Smee ear hat. Another pink, a bubble wand and a cupcake. We have the BB-8 cupcake and the Chaser Evil Queen bubble wand. All right, another old blue. Haven't really gotten anything good from these ones so far. Ooh, okay. So I have one of the Stitch Holidays and an ear hat. So I got the Cogsworth ear hat. This is a good one. And the Stitch holiday I got 4th of July. Those were good ones. We have a new blue. I have a castle and an ear hat. So I have the Ariel ear headband and the Walt Disney World. Oh wait, it's just Walt Disney and Mickey castle. Wait, this was those over here. I'm trying to keep them separated by each bag. Another blue. We have the Walt Disney World D in the blue color story of Hades. And Tiana, which I already have. Okay, we have a pink. We have a bubble wand and a cupcake. So I have the Donald Duck bubble wand. And the Figment cupcake. They're just labeled as treats, but they're basically cupcakes. This is the chaser. We have a blue. We have a repeat bag of Tiana and Hades. The one and only yellow older one. This is the older one from last year. I only got one of these. This is the only one that I got. So I got a rabbit egg and a Pixar Toy Story. So I got Woody and the White Rabbit. Okay. Still quite a few in here. We've got a blue. We have a castle and a ear headband. I've got Stitch. And the candy apple castle. And my dog is barking again. Old blue. Hopefully my dog barking in the background isn't too loud. So I have a droid and a villain. So I have Scar. And the droid is R2-D2. A new blue. We have the Mickey 25 years. And, oh, the Christmas Donald Duck. Love it. How many of each are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there seems to be about 6 or 7 of each. So I have almost all of the ear headbands for the blue. So I have a pink castle and an ear head. Ooh, Sorcerer Mickey. This is the chaser. That's really cool. So some of these have chasers and super chasers, and then others just have chasers. So, and then this one I already have. This is the Pop Art Mickey Castle. We have another pink. We have a green and a Mickey or a Disney D. So I have Lilo and Peter Pan. Old Blue. I'm really hoping to get my last Marvel t-shirt that I need. Oh, I got a Stitch Easter. And another droid. This is R2A3. I don't know how many more of those I have left, if any. I really wanted my last t-shirt. I have a pink. So I have a D and a green. So I have Cogsworth for the D. And for the green, I have Pascal. A blue. I have a repeat bag of Bruni and the Hatbox Ghost D. A pink. A repeat of the Evil Queen. And then I already have this one as well as the Orange Bird cupcake. Another pink. We have another Treat and Bubble Wand. Another Evil Queen Bubble Wand. And this is the chaser, guys. I got 3 of them. And then another BB-8 cupcake. All right, there's only a few more left in here, so I'm just going to dump them out. So I have 2 more of the Old Blue, 2 more of the pink, and 1 more of the new blue. So we'll do another one of these ones, the Old Blue. 4 more chances for a t-shirt. Still no luck. We've got the Dumbo ear hat. And another droid. This one looks like R2BHD. We'll do another pink. I think this is a repeat. Oh no. Okay, so we got another BB-8 cupcake and a different bubble wand. We got the Tigger bubble wand. Let's do the last blue, new blue. This is a repeat bag, dang it. So I got the Ariel ear headband and the Walt Disney and Mickey Castle. So really quick before I move on to the next, because that was the last one of those. I was really hoping to get more of the castles. I got 4 of them. I still needed the Sorcerer Mickey and the Chaser Epcot. And then for the ear headbands, I really wanted the Super Chaser Cinderella Castle one. So that one, the only ones I didn't get were the Chaser and the Super Chaser. Which I don't really care about the Chaser. I really wanted the Super Chaser though. And then for the Walt Disney World D's, Gaston would have been cool. And the Chaser, Mickey and Minnie. The holiday ones, I didn't get Easter or Independence Day or Halloween. Oh, also the Christmas one that I did get, that was the Chaser. And then I think I'm okay on the rest of them that I didn't get. The only other one that maybe would have been cool was the blue, the Stitch. So that was it for that one. So let's go ahead and do the last. Well, let's do this one first. We'll do the last of the old blue ones. Oh, we got a t-shirt. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look at the t-shirt. But the ear hat that I got was Cinderella. I think I might already have this one. Not like out here, but like in my my book. So I might already have that one. And then the t-shirt, this is the last one. Scarlet Witch. That's one that I traded for. Dang it. All right, last pin bag. The last pink. And it's a duplicate bag. You have Peter Pan and Lilo. So that is all of the pins that I opened. A lot of pins. Unfortunately, I mean, I got a lot of good ones here. My pile of ones that I'm going to be selling is quite large compared to the rest of them. So not as successful as I would have liked. I did get a lot of really cool ones and I'm happy that I got them. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this pin video. It was not nearly as long as I thought it was going to be. Well, maybe it is because this clip alone is only 20 minutes. I'm not sure how long the other one was. So maybe it was like closer to like 30 or 40 minutes. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you next time because I don't know when that's going to be. So I will see you all when I see you. So bye guys.